In this video, I will learn you how to make tables, and tables are actually easy, alright? So let's get started. As you see, this is a table, for example, and I'm going to code it later, but let me explain everything. In each table, we have table rows, alright? So this is a table row, and this is a table row, and this is a table row, and this is a table row, alright? And in each table, we have table headings. These are the table headings, alright? And every table has table data. So these things are table data for these headings, and each like line is a row. So this is a row alone by itself, and this is a row by itself, and this is a row by itself too, right? So let me do it in coding, right? So if I just I open this. Alright, now how to make tables. First of all, you have to define a table, alright? Let me just put this down. What between these lines will be a table, alright? So let me get started, alright? And to make a table, you have, as I told you, table rows. To make a table, you have to start with table rows. So this is how a table row should look like. TR, alright? So now we are in the first row of our table. Most of the tables in the first row have the table headings, alright? So we are in the first row, we have to put our table headings, alright? Let me just open brackets. Alright, so we are in the first table row, we're going to add table headings. How we do that? Easy. TH, alright? It's abbreviation for table heading. And now we have a table heading, we can store anything we want. Let me make this one. For example, we have name, age, and job. So I would say name. I'll go now when I say th age. I can go to the next line and add another table heading called job. Alright. Now we have in this row, the whole row, we have a table headings. Alright. So these are the table headings. Now in the next line, I want to make a table row with table data, because when we go to the next line, we have table data, we don't have table headings, alright? So let's do it. So let's go and make another table row, like this way. Now you are in the next line, alright? Each time you make table row, you go to the next line. And now let me just, alright. Now I want to add table D. What does that mean? Is table data, the data for these things, alright? So I would like to put the name of the first one, Steve, and Tim and Justin, alright? But for the first one is Steve, alright? With the age of 33 and a teacher. So we would say in this table row, we would like to add table data, and we would like to say Steve. And we will go and add another table data. We say 33. And we go to the next line and we say TD, and we give it a job of teacher. Alright, so each table row take a line. So this is the first line and this is the second line, but in this we store table headings, and this line we stored table data. Alright, so let me go to the next line and add more table data. We have another things like Tim 25 and a web developer. So you kind of get the point. TR, and I would say TD, and now we say Tim, right? And we go TD, and we give it any age, for example 25, and we go and just do another TD, and we say, for example, web developer. Alright, so this is how you make tables. Alright, I want to add another one. You just copy this and paste it over down, and we would say Justin. Alright, I think Justin, with the age of, for example, 22, and I will give him the job of app developer. Alright, so this is how you make tables. It's so easy. You just define the table, and you make table rows multiple as much as you want, and you give them table headings, table data, wherever you want. Right? Alright, so let me just explain other table. So we have this table. Let's make it. Alright, now how to make this? Some people say it's hard. It's actually the same, right? I will do it now, right? Let me just see. we have, this is a table data, as you see, because most of things when you say days on Tuesday, Monday, Friday, this looks like a table data, so we give it th. We do not store it as a data, so we store it for this a th. Let me just explain everything after doing it. Alright, so let me just first make table row and give the first thing of th table heading called days. Alright, and below this one we have th, and we say name, and we go to the next line, make th, and we give it ages, and we go to the next line and we give it th of job. Alright, you can do whatever you want. Now when I want to go to the next line, I want to give this not a data, a table heading. Just go and make another table row. Alright, now I can go and say table data. For the first column I will give it, for example, Sunday, but this does not look like a table heading. Alright, I want to make it a table heading, th. That's it. Now after doing th, it will be bold and it will looks like a table heading. Did you get the point? And now let me store for names and ages and job. Alright, so we don't put th, we put td. Oops. Alright, td, and we can say Frank, and next line td, and I say 22. Let me go to the next line and say td, and I give him the job of web developer. Alright, so this is how you do it. See you in the next lecture.